This is HP 15 laptop. This is a gaming laptop. See the model number. This laptop has come to me for repair, and problem is no power. There is a shorting in charging section. Both charging first MOSFETs and second MOSFET is shorted to the ground. We replace both MOSFET and as well as charging IC also. See, replacing part, and this section is totally burned. See the burn mark in our this section is totally burned, and we replace this both MOSFETs and charging IC. Now we connect our DC power supply. See, but this is a gaming laptop. As per rules, need more ampere. We connect this converter, and now we on the system, and there is a power jumper, power on switch on board. We on this switch, we power on the switch, system is on. See, light is on, and if the light is indicate in my pen drive, display is also coming. Now this taken 1500 800 ampere, 1700 ampere, 1800 ampere, and still display is not coming. So yes, display is coming in my pen drive, and this gaming laptop of HP laptop is now ready. Let's assemble and check all other displays. Laptop ready now.